years ago when I was here and lived with a tribe in the jungle, we had a wonderful vista view like this of the city. There's one difference. Now, it's a polluted city. And as you can see, the view is obscured by the smoke and other elements in the air. It's kind of sad, but it is the way it is here in Chiang Mai. Now this is a night market. We saw one in Hong Kong. It was the Stanley Market. This is 10 times that.
Yeah, we started out on the street. We're walking down the street. A lot of haggling going on out there. So we found this inside part you can see behind us, and it was great in there. Bob actually got a couple of things. We're going to show you
here's a little
now.
souvenir. This is a real tuk-tuk, miniature version. We've taken enough of these, right?
Things I got, it's Buddha's hand. I hope you can see it. Just got to be stretched onto canvas, and I got another smaller one that's black. Very cool, very Thailand, and
I need to be stretched on canvas. Why don't we work on that one?
And Lana House, we have only 3 rooms. Only 3 rooms. Or try you have bigger house, you have only 3 rooms. Huh? You have to think like this. This room for the father and mother. And this room for the children. Why to have think like this? Okay. People here, when we go to sleep, our head must go to the east. Our head never go to the west. Huh? And our head for Lana people, absolutely never go to the north. No way. No way, huh? Why? When the Buddha died, the head of the Buddha go to the north.
So we're spending the day with a Thai family, and this is his home. Some unique characteristics of the home: there's no toilet here. Now, for the men, they have something very special. Follow me down here. Do you see that hole? That's so they don't have to go out into the rice fields where the spirit could take them away. So they pee through the hole underneath the house. I know you're thinking, what about the women? The women have, over there, a somewhat larger hole. This is a leaf with some tree sap, a little bark, and this thing called a beetle nut. You put it together like this, and then you do this, and chew it. It's kind of, a little bitter.
so this is his garden area. This is where all the fruits and vegetables and herbs come from.
Okay. You know tiger balm?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Tiger balm, there are many herbs in tiger balm. Must have this herb in tiger balm. This one for mosquito bite. Mosquito bite, you wrap tiger balm. If you know tiger balm, you take this leaf, squeeze.
For what, itchiness?
Squeeze, and then wrap. This one for mosquito bite. Huh?
Everything's here. Citronella, lemon, us.
And okay, how many chili? Tourist 3, 5, 7. My family 9, up 9, 11, 13, 15. 5 is medium. Okay, 5. And then by hand, make it small, like this. Huh?
How you doing? Thai style, Bob.
I'm freaking exhausted, man.
It's not ready. Keep going.
Yeah, thank you. That's what he said.
Okay. This one for tomato, this one for chicken. Huh? You will cook for chicken.
Spicy, huh?
Oh
Medium spicy.
no, medium. And instead by tofu, nobody in pork here, but instead it's by tofu. It's okay?
It's okay.
So there's a lot of techniques to this. It is not easy. You bring the water to a boil, and then you take the ingredients, you dump them in,
Dump and cover immediately, don't stir.
put the top back on, let it boil again. Once it's boiling, then you can put the meat in, and it's the same technique. And it gets the whole thing going from the pot and makes a whole new thing for stir fry. This is brand new to me, but man, it sure does smell good.
Okay.
The smallest one
Yes.
is a spicy one. Put on here. Oh.
Oh my. Those are chilies.
Smash.
Cover your hand. Okay. And pad thai don't miss must tamarind.
Oh, what's incredible about this is coconut milk. We take the coconut itself and do the shreds on the coconut on the inside, and then cleanse it. Take the bananas, take them apart, wash them twice, and then put in this spice, which we picked from his garden, bring it all to a boil, and it is Thai heaven.
This is our Thai kitchen. This is where we're cooking.
This is real stir fry. We're not kidding around. You can see the smoke, and our teacher says that I'm learning slowly.
But we're making chicken. Here's the chicken dish that Bob's been working on.
And the tomato dish here, and
This is
soup.
real Lana cooking.
Real
Lana cooking.
This one likes the watermelon a little better.
Yeah.
I don't blame him. Or her.
One more for me. Here you go.
There's no
Over here.
watermelon.
You want watermelon, not banana? Here you go. No matter where you look, this is an incredible experience. Can you see right behind us?
I think
There
we're
she is.
standing amidst the sugar cane, and she's coming over here not to get us, but the sugar cane. And they like watermelon and bananas, and we're feeding them and making food for them.
And the water buffalo seems to like tall, overweight, baseball cap wearing guys, but we'll get into that in a minute.
The elephants have a sweet tooth, huh? So they are making the food for the elephants, which is sticky rice and cooked bananas wrapped in banana leaf. It smells so good, I'm ready to have some.
So walking around with these big beasts, being very up close and personal, is really amazing. This one has a little red flower behind her ear, very easy to spot.
You're looking at the reason we came here. Isn't that magnificent? And we're about 3 feet from it, and just gorgeous.
Yeah, usually, you can see elephants where we're from, in a zoo, which is not my favorite thing, behind bars. And these guys are roaming free, and we're walking around throughout this area, and there they are, right there. And there's another one right there. And there was a herd of them over here. Oh, and listen to them.
Oh, and this one's coming now. They have the right of way. And the water buffalo had the right of way too. Now, look at him, see? He's eyeing my red sunglasses. They don't like red, like bulls. Who knew? Not me. His brother knew, though, and with those horns head-butted me into my left thigh that's left a bruise that I'll have for the rest of my life.
Time for a 360 elephant style. We're in the middle of the sanctuary. We've just watched the elephants bathe in the river. Check out this video.
Look at all of them in the water. They're bathing, there's a couple of babies, they're splashing each other. It's so fun. And where do they go after the water, Bob?
The mud.
It really is a magical place. Look at that. Look how close they get. It's fantastic.
Look at them rolling around in the mud. Oh, and the babies. There's 2 babies here. They're both 3 years old. They're orphans, and they were adopted by that big elephant you see there.
You do not forget this experience. So close to these wonderful, huge, beautiful animals.
We got to feed them, we got to touch them, get to know a little bit of their personalities, and I'd do it again.
Yeah, I'd do it again too, except for the water buffalo. That one I wouldn't do again. What do you think?
I'm rolling, babe.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, I didn't want to get in the ice.
I'm moving the deck chairs on a Titanic. This will be a good one. Is it good for you?
Yep, that's the elephant butt. That's the end.
And as the elephant fades into the sunset, this was a magnificent day, and we're glad to share it with you.